This is the Limbo tap down. The easiest version is flat on the ground. All you're going to do is bend your knee, let the knee go over top of the foot, keeping the heel down, and reach the opposite heel or toe, doesn't matter which one, as far out in front of you as you can. Notice how the torso does not flex, so this is not a squat where you sit down. We're leaning backwards with this activity, keeping a neutral torso. You should feel your abs and glutes holding that torso position. As you lean your shoulders and head backwards, it'll feel like you're taking your shoulders back down towards the heel as you lean backwards. Let those shoulders lean backwards as if they're going down towards the floor. You're not sitting down, you're leaning backwards. Now, to make it easier, you just don't reach your leg out as far and let your knee go out over the toe as far. So if you're having any pain, do not take your knee past the point of pain or into the threshold of pain. Just go through the range of motion that you're comfortable and decrease the amount that you reach the foot out. You can also use a foam roller, an object to hold onto for balance, as well as a way of decreasing a little bit more load to the knee, because we're never working through pain. The highest level of challenge with the Limbo tap down is to put yourself up on a slant board, really lean backwards just like you're doing a limbo. Notice how the shoulders, hip, and knee all stay in alignment. The whole body tips backwards as a unit. You should feel your glutes working as well as your quad and patellar tendon down at the knee. The heel can come up off of the slant board or up off of the ground slightly, but we want to try to keep that down to the best of our capabilities, but it doesn't need to be forced down either. So it's okay for a slight amount of heel lift to occur, especially at those end ranges of motion, is so long as there is no pain during and no pain lingering on after doing the exercise.